been chosen to receive a Steel Award. So congratulations, we are excited to celebrate you today. Your unwavering commitment to student success and your invaluable support for our teaching staff are the cornerstones of your exceptional contributions to Killeen ISD. Your director, Dawn Sills, shared that you are patient with everyone and do not get frustrated when difficult calls are answered. Even though she could have retired already, is that true? You could have retired already? She tells us that she is not ready to leave because we are not broken and it is still fun.
It makes me feel, like I said, I feel humble, and I enjoy what I do. And that's one reason why I haven't retired. I always threaten the lady and say, oh, I'm gonna retire, but I really enjoy what I do.
Her dependability and foresight ensures that nothing gets overlooked. Her dedication to this district is undeniable and unmatched. Congratulations.
We're gathered here today to celebrate your outstanding contributions. And the Steel Award is very significant. It stands for supporting the education and empowerment of learners. It embodies qualities of strength, resilience, and unwavering commitment, all of which our awardees amplify and exemplify in their daily efforts.
It makes me feel good, and it makes me humble, because I come to work on a daily basis. I do what I need to do for the department and for the district. I wasn't expecting anything of this nature. I really wasn't, so I'm humbled.
Today's gathering is more than just a recognition. It symbolizes our collective dedication to guiding our learners towards a future filled with boundless potential and opportunities. Congratulations.